What's going on, y'all? Check it out. Today, my friend, my fishing buddy, brought me a striped bass straight out the river. Oh my goodness, it was still flopping, y'all. But anyway, let's get it. So after we got it scaled up and filleted, we gonna go ahead and portion them out and rain on them with a little bit of salt on that skin side. Then we gonna let it sit for about 15 minutes. That's gonna help get that skin crispy. After that, we gonna go ahead and hit it with that garlic powder and some of that dill. Get it into our dredge, which is half and half cornmeal and flour, making sure that we get it all over that fish. Then straight into that hot grease, y'all. 350, of course. As soon as we see that skin side is crispy, it's time to give it a flip, y'all. And let it finish cooking on that other side, y'all. Now the total cooking time on this fish was about 15 minutes. And oh my gosh, it was so crispy and delicious. So I had mine with some broccoli. And of course I had to have a little bit of my sweet pepper sauce on the side, y'all. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I had to change up my whole menu today because I had to have this fresh, y'all. But anyway, let's take a taste of this.